Going on, guys? I'll be reviewing the Honeywell heater and air conditioner. So you can find this at Walmart. Not that expensive. I think it's about 30 bucks. Easy to use. Heater and AC all in one. So right over here we got the speed. So this would be low, high, off. Low, high, off. Now what is this good for? Alright, this is good for a small room. Let's say you have roommates, small room in a room, in a house. Not really good for a living room. It's really small. It's for a small confined area. Good to keep you warm, keep you cool. If your house, you live in an old house that's power, I guess, shuts off when you use too much power, or you have a power limit, the low power is good enough for you. Like, I haven't used this in high. I've always used this in low power and it works perfectly fine. I'm cold, I'm hot, whenever I need it in whichever temperature. Highly recommend. Now, it also has a safety feature. So, hold on if you guys can hear this. So right there, it knows you're on the ground, right? Now let's say you leave it on high or low and kids come and they just tap it over and it falls. It would automatically shut off. Why is that? It's because of this right here. So whenever it's on the ground, this is pushed in, the fan's gonna work. So when it's off the ground, it's not touching the ground, it's not working. So once you put it on, back working. Highly recommend, easy to use. Just do not cover the back. Leave the back open. It is actually sturdy. I tripped over this many times and it works perfectly fine still. Yeah, it's pretty easy to use. Highly recommend. Has the fire retard wire, so it prevents a house fire. Yeah, and it's made by Honeywell, right? So it is a reliable name. Highly recommend, And yeah, that's about it. Quick, simple review of the Honeywell fan. I will type up the exact name of the model in the description, so you can find it. It's on Walmart. Easy to use. Really easy to use. Highly recommend, especially if you're a student or especially if you're living in a small room as a roommate and have roommates. Highly recommend. Easy to use. Go for it. This is the review guy. Like, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and put a comment on what you want me to review next. Thanks for watching. Peace.